Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Chase the Rocky Mountain. Today we want to show you real quick the Tusk 40-inch light bar and the Tusk light bar brackets for the KRX4 1000, both the 2 and the 4-seat models. If you've been looking to add a light bar to your side-by-side, this is an awesome setup. These brackets are made from powder-coated aluminum. They look awesome. They're easy to mount up. They just go right to the factory holes on the roll cage of your machine. And they were built specifically to match up to the Tusk 40-inch light bar, which is a really good light bar at a great value. So it's an awesome setup to have. It's gonna work with the OEM roof or the Tusk profile aluminum roof that we have mounted up here. You can also see we have it mounted up. It works with the Tusk UTV Adventure roof rack as well. As far as wiring goes for a light bar, if that's something that you've never done before, well, we have a lot of how-to videos that we've done on lots of different side-by-sides over the years showing how to wire up a light bar. So just give those videos a watch and that'll really help you out. But again, if you've been shopping for a light bar bracket or a light bar and a light bar bracket setup for your KRX 1000, these are awesome. Also keep in mind when you're shopping on our website, you can just click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com if you want to see all the accessories, because you can see here that Tusk has a lot of really good aftermarket parts for the KRX. Just enter the year, make, and model on the homepage, and that will show you everything that will fit your side-by-side. And that goes for dirt bikes, ATVs, all of the above. So again, awesome light bar setup to have. Great value, it looks awesome, so get yours today. If you have questions though, leave those down below. We'll get those answered. We ship for free over 75 bucks. And if you want to stay up to date on products like this for your machine, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll be good to go. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.